Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a seated twist variation. Step your feet wide, rooting down through both feet. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center, exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at the top, exhale, extend and reach one arm towards the earth, gently flexing through your side body. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your side body as you reach one arm towards the earth, activating your obliques. Pausing and upright, adding a twist. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, re-lengthening your spine. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Release and step your feet back to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.